Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Blatt. Today is Tuesday, April 5th, and I hope you are going to have a great day of learning today. Let's get started. First of all, there's a Zoom meeting at 2 p.m. for people who did not attend the Monday Zoom meeting. And today's projects for 6-year-olds, you're working on your fairy tale. You're going to be working on plot and adding some dialogue to the body of your story. Yesterday you worked on your introduction, so today you're going to move on. You also are going to be working on 2D shapes for math. For 7-year-olds, you are going to be watching a video on alliteration. Then you are going to work on 2-line alliteration of poems. And you have A to Z, 2 stories to read. You have 2 pages in grammar, and you're spelling words. I'd like you to start studying and make sure that you also have your sentences started. Okay, so I'll see some of you a little bit later in the morning, or you will see this after you meet with me, because I meet you at 6 a.m. my time, which is 2 p.m. Benin time. So have a great day, everyone. Be good. Bye.